In this video, I'm going to review some of the trade alerts we sent from our option picking service for stock market guides. These were sent on March the 15th, which is last Friday, and this is being filmed on Tuesday, March the 19th. So let's just go down and look at some of these. So this first one was a trade alert for an option for SPXL, and you can see it was for the March 22nd expiration, the 114 strike. And the price of the option at the time we sent the alert was $10.84 per contract. So let's go take a look at how this one is doing now. So I'm in a trading platform here, and this shows an option chain. This is for SPXL, and I have the March 22nd expiration open, and I'm just going to go down to that 114 strike price. And you can see that the price here, it's a pretty wide bid-ask spread. 1260 to 1650. So the price is somewhere between those two. And the entry price called for an entry at 1084. So the price is up from when we posted it. We could look at what the intrinsic value is of this option. Most options can sell for at least their intrinsic value. And that's when you just take the stock price and subtract the strike price. So the stock price is 128.43. The strike price for that one was 114. So that would be $14.43. So most likely, if you were to sell this right now, you could get, at least $14.43. Maybe a few pennies less, maybe more. And so at $14.43, you can see that would be up nicely from the entry price over just a couple of trading days. If you were to use this optional profit target that we post, it would have already hit the profit target. And so that one had a nice performance after we posted the trade alert. Here's another one for UPRO. Let's take a look at this one. You can see it's the March 22nd expiration as well. It's the 60 strike call for 566. And let's just see how it's looking now. So the 60 strike, you can see that the bid and ask here, it's 760 to 790. And so it's, well above the entry price that the option had at the time that we sent the trade alert. And so you can see that this one also is up nicely. It's beyond the optional profit target. The profit target is optional because the trade actually was not designed to be used with a profit target or a take profit level. It was just designed to be bought at one particular moment in time and then later sold at one particular moment in time. And our backtest results reflect the performance based on that. Some people like to use a profit target though, which is totally fine. And so this is just an idea for one. But if you wanted to follow in lockstep with the back-tested approach, you would not take a profit at this level and you would continue holding it until this trade exit point. And so today is March the 19th. So this one is up. The price is above this even right now. And so if you were following this trade alert and you wanted to stay in lockstep with the back-tested approach, you could keep holding it until this time right here. The SPY options also are up in value beyond their profit target. I did want to show this other example though. Here's this one for GSK, and it's a 40 strike, also March 22nd, and the entry was $2.10. And let's just take a look at that one just to show an example that isn't like these other ones. So it's a 40 strike. And you can see the going price is between $2 and $2.40. And so you can see that this one is not yet at the profit target, because even if you could somehow sell it at the ask price, it would not be high enough to be at this optional profit target. So this one is basically still hanging out around the same price as where the entry was, and that is not abnormal at all. With our trade alerts, you never know for sure exactly how the trade is going to perform. The idea is we're trying to educate subscribers with information that could put the odds in their favor. So some trades will result in profit, like the ones I was showing earlier in this video. Some might end up in a break even, some might end up in a loss. So if you follow these trade alerts for long enough, you'll likely experience a full spectrum of potential outcomes. So that's it. That's how our trade alerts looked that day. If you have any questions about our service or about our trade alerts, you can contact us anytime. Our email address is support@stockmarketguides.com.